What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It's fun and easy to listen to.
Do you have a favorite singer?
Yes, I really like Taylor Swift.
Nice. I enjoy her songs too.
Do you listen to music every day?
Almost every day, especially when I work.
Music helps me relax.
Same here. It makes my day better.
Music really connects people.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy romantic and comedy movies.
I prefer action movies.
Do you watch movies at home or in the cinema?
Mostly at home. It's more comfortable.
True, and snacks are cheaper.
That's true.
Movies are a great way to relax.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like badminton.
How often do you play?
Twice a week.
That's good exercise.
Do you play any sports?
I play football sometimes.
Are you good at it?
Not really, but I enjoy it.
That's what matters.
What's your favorite food?
I love fried rice.
Do you cook it yourself?
Sometimes, but I usually buy it.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, very much.
Me too. Spicy food is exciting.
It makes eating more fun.
I agree.
Food makes people happy.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I shower and have breakfast.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes, when I have time.
I try to exercise every day.
That's a good habit.
It helps me stay healthy.
I should try that too.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
Hot or cold tea?
Hot tea, especially in the morning.
I like coffee in the morning.
Coffee gives you energy.
Yes, I can't start my day without it.
Everyone has their favorite drink.
That's true.
Small choices matter.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like this weather?
Yes, it's perfect for going outside.
I agree. I hate rainy days.
Really? I like rain sometimes.
Why is that?
It feels calm and peaceful.
That's a nice way to see it.
Weather changes our mood.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Where did you go last?
I went to Bali.
That sounds amazing.
It was beautiful and relaxing.
Do you travel often?
Not often, but I want to.
Me too.
Traveling teaches us a lot.
What's your hobby?
I like drawing.
That's creative.
It helps me relax.
How often do you draw?
Almost every weekend.
I like reading books.
What kind of books?
Self-improvement books.
That's interesting.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Busy day.
Same here. Work is tiring.
Yes, but time goes fast.
That's true.
Any plans for tonight?
Just relaxing at home.
Sounds nice.
It really is.